So reblocking definitely worked. They went out there and performed like professionals. They did their job. And that's what they're expecting.
Now for our elite junior small groups. Starting off in second place with a score of 270 points is at number 66, Birmingham Sunday from Studio 5B. Ladies and gentlemen, your highest scoring elite junior small group with a score of 251.2 points is at number 68, Smells Like Teen Spirit from the Ivory Dance Company.
Our group won first place overall. Abby doesn't need anybody else for this team. She has her team right here. She should be more than satisfied.
I think it was stupid. They're trained to do that. They know how to do that. My group should be 10 points above. Or my duet or my trio against anybody else. Congratulations. The overall high score winners. I wish it was a great weekend in Orlando, Florida. It wasn't so great. I saw some things that I hope to never see again. Did you ever hear that expression? It's all fun and games till somebody loses an eye. All right, let's get to the pyramid. Of course, hey, you have yet to admit that you were fooling around. First, you chipped over the leg of the chair. Then it wasn't the leg of the chair. Then it was Kendall's leg. But I'm hearing that you were making fun of the ballet routine on stage, and you were doing ballet steps, fooling around, and that's how you felt.
Who are you hearing these stories from?
Every single person was not you.
She turned around and tripped over a crotch. Don't try to make lies about my daughter.
Hey, you put this entire team and your victory in jeopardy.
If you don't want her on the team and you want to kick her off, just kick her off.
Come on, you're on.
Go, Paige.
Go.
Remember that when you go to ask her back again. You can't keep messing with somebody's head over and over. You're the liar, not my daughter.
Every single one of you have learned in this studio what is acceptable behavior backstage. Is it acceptable to be dancing, to be fooling around in the wings when another group is on stage? No. If you learn one thing, it's trust me, everyone's replaces it.
Even if Peyton is on the team, I don't think any of the kids is her stage. I think Abby wants to get rid of more of the original girls.
So this weekend, we are going to Roanoke, Virginia. This competition is called Dance Troupe International. Now, I kind of heard a little rumble like that. The Wicked Witch is going to fly in.
When I hear the right against the candy apple, I get it. Everybody knows anything else close to Abby.
The group routine is entitled The Witches of East Kent. Maddie, you bring light to the stage. You're the good witch. Me. Be portraying. Okay. And the rest of you will be the evil. So I want to see your true witchiness come through. You can channel your little back to all the boys. I think you have been winning choreographically. I beat them, not you. Right.
Whoever's team Abby's first place performing, I don't know, but whenever the candy apple team, yours is the worst, and Abby's.
Learning that the new Candy Apples team is made up of boys is intimidating. I know that the difference in the name in the back of my mind is especially with the brand producers.
5, 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2. Now that I know Kathy stopped her team, all boys, and just one little girl, I'm going to demand perfection from my team. It's going to be faster choreography. They're going to be tight and clean. You need to go over this and over this and over this and over this. The group dance this week is called The Witches of East Kent. Just making a little fun of the town after this. Now Maddie is going to be playing the good witch. So, that's you. And the rest of the girls will be playing nasty evil witches.
Abby being the good witch is like, I don't know, Hannibal Lecter playing because, like, it's ridiculous.
When you have Kathy and Abby, it's a blurred line. I don't know who's the good, one's the good witch and one's the bad witch.
Did anybody practice that? Did they watch it last night? Alright, just look at me. John, ask me an open question like I just asked. This is what I saw. Don't put stuff in the plate. Lazy sluts.
Not what happened.
Out of your fucking head. Wait.
I think we're in trouble this weekend with those boys.
The only thing I think we have with Kiki and the Apples at this point is the fact that our girls are so cohesive.
I want kids who want to be the best. So if they're gonna bring people in,